Hello, this is Lauren with LKR Soap and Such and Lauren KR's Naturals. And my grandson is really into the unboxing thing, and I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing video for you and for myself because I purchased a new stick blender for my soaping, and I decided that I wanted to see just how long this stick blender is going to last me. I have a Cuisinart small stick blender, but it just seems so powerful. It gives me a lot of bubbles, and so I just kind of wanted to get an idea of what this one would be like. This is a Chefman 300 watt hand blender. It does crush ice. It has cross blades. It's got a soft touch rubberized finish. It says it includes access to exclusive recipes, tutorials, tips, and more when you're a part of Club Chefman. It has a 1-year limited warranty. It says it creates soups, smoothies, sauces, and more. And of course, I'm going to use it for soaping. It says it's quiet yet powerful, and it has 2 speeds, push button control and healthy creations in seconds. It's an easy grip, ergonomic handle, easily reaches into pots and pitchers and bowls, and is dishwasher safe and ice crushing cross blades. So that's what I'm going to unbox for you. I got it for myself for Christmas as a gift to myself. I purchased it from a bargain outlet place, and it's red, which is one of my favorite colors. So let's open this up and see. It says, congratulations on the purchase of your hand blender. Learn more about your blender and other innovative Chefman products by visiting www.chefman.com. So we're going to open this up. Inside here is a piece of paper. So let's grab this. This is an immersion hand blender by Chefman. It gives you the series number and a customer service number to call. And then it gives you instructions. You can't see those very well because of the light, right? User maintenance, operation instructions. And then it talks to you about the features of this blender. There's speed buttons here, a motor housing in the middle, removable blender shaft, and stainless steel blades. So let's pull this guy out of here. He's packaged very well. There's nothing else in the box. Let's take off this lid, and there he is. The stick blender with the cord. So it's not a very big unboxing video. So let's look at this. Let's take the plastic off of this cord. Lay this down. And I will be testing this. Today I want to make some cold processed liquid soap base. It'll be my first time in doing it. I've done other liquid soap bases, but this will be my first time. Now this says it's a removable shaft. This is a nice squishy outside to this, nice soft. There's the first button and the second. One has a 1 line and the other one has 2. It says that this shaft is removable, so there is a point on here and a lock and an unlock. So we're gonna move this to the unlock position and take this off. That's really nice to have, to be able to remove that whenever this is in standing soap mixture. You wanna make sure that that's available to you, otherwise it'll be top heavy and fall over and cause a big mess. And these are the cross blades, and this is a metal framework right here. Now I want to go ahead and compare this to the blender I already have. So that's an easy fit here. You put that in there and turn it to the lock position and it's back on again. I like the fact that the cord is rather long, because at this point, I don't have really good access to electricity in places that are easy to work with. I like having this long cord so that I can do some videos and still have this available and easy access to electricity. So I'm gonna go get my other blender and we're gonna compare size and whatnot at this point. All right, let's do some comparison of this Chefman ergonomically friendly stick blender and this Cuisinart Smart Stick. Now, the one thing that's different and that I'm seeing right now is that this one is 200 watts in its motor. And I've kept that sticker on there ever since I bought it. And I think I bought this about 4 years ago, maybe, because I knew I needed a stick blender to start making some of my soap, and I decided that I would just grab something, and I think I got this at Kohl's, and it was actually on sale, so I didn't have to pay a whole lot for it. You know, when you're just starting out and doing something, you don't want to have to spend a lot of money if you aren't wanting to waste anything. You figure, well, if this doesn't work, then I may not use it anymore, and if I've used it for soap, then I'm not going to use it for something else. But it's been a trusty stick blender for me. Now, when you compare the size of the shaft itself, let's look at it this way. When you compare those, they're approximately the same size for that shaft. This one may be just a tad bit longer, but doesn't really make a difference. These blades are definitely different. So we'll see what that does to the soap making. And the size of them, this red one, this Craftsman, is probably about 1 inch taller in size. But I think the thing that I'm gonna really be excited about is the 2-speed opportunity. And I'll go ahead, and when I start making my cold process liquid soap, I will show you the difference in what that actually means. So there's the comparison between my new Chefman, which is just a very inexpensive stick blender, and my Cuisinart. And I'm wondering how long this guy is actually going to last for me. So that's why I'm kind of doing this video right now, so that I have it in my archives and I'm able to compare and contrast and see how long things last. So, thank you for watching, and I'll bring you back when we begin the cold process liquid soap making.